Pressure groups influence government decisions every single day, but most people can't explain how they actually work. But you will in the next few minutes. A pressure group is an organised group of people who try to influence government policy or public opinion. They don't want to be elected, they want to change decisions. Here are the three types of pressure groups you need to know. Cause groups. These promote a specific issue or belief, like protecting the environment or improving human rights. Interest groups. These represent a particular section of society, such as workers, doctors, or businesses. Insider and outsider groups. Insider groups work closely with government and are regularly consulted. Outsider groups have less access, so they use public campaigns and protests to get attention. For example, the RSPCA is a cause group that campaigns for animal welfare. They work with government departments to improve laws on animal protection. On the other hand, Extinction Rebellion is an outsider group. They use protests and direct action to raise awareness about climate change. Pressure groups use several methods to influence decisions. They organise petitions, run social media campaigns, meet with MPs, produce research, and sometimes hold demonstrations. Their goal is simple: to put pressure on decision makers until change happens. So why does this matter for your GCSE? Because exam questions often ask you to explain what pressure groups are, give examples, or describe how they influence government. If you can name the three types and explain how they try to change decisions, you'll score great marks. So, a quick recap. Pressure groups try to influence decisions, not get elected. There are cause groups, interest groups, and insider or outsider groups. They use campaigns, research, and public pressure to make change happen. That's pressure groups. Simple, clear, and exam ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.